Subscribe to Knowledge Hub, like this video, and tap the bell so you never miss what's next.
Welcome back, open source AI champions and developers. Today, we're diving into Meta's groundbreaking contribution to the open source AI community, Llama 2. If you believe that powerful AI should be accessible, customizable, and free from corporate gatekeeping, then Llama 2 is about to become your new best friend. In this video, we'll explore how Llama 2 is democratizing large language models, making advanced AI available to everyone. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or just curious about the future of AI, you're in the right place. Let's get started and see how Llama 2 is changing the game for open source AI. Llama 2 represents a seismic shift in the AI landscape. When Meta released this powerful language model with a permissive open source license, they opened the doors to technology that once required millions in compute resources and was locked behind proprietary walls. Think of Llama 2 as the Linux moment for large language models, a high-quality, freely available alternative that anyone can use, study, modify, and build upon. This move has set a new standard for accessibility and innovation in AI, empowering individuals and organizations to create without barriers. So, what exactly is Llama 2? Developed by Meta, Llama 2 is the successor to the original Llama model and was released in July 2023 with a commercial-friendly license. It's available in 3 sizes: 7B, 13B, and 70B parameters, and trained on a massive 2 trillion tokens of data. The key breakthroughs include a free commercial license, competitive performance with closed-source models, and the ability to run on consumer hardware for the smaller versions. Llama 2's philosophy is simple: democratize AI by providing enterprise-grade language models that anyone can use, study, and improve. Before Llama 2, high-quality LLMs were either expensive APIs or limited to research. Now, the paradigm has shifted. Llama 2 comes in 2 main variants, the base model and Llama 2 Chat. The base model serves as a foundation for general language tasks and is perfect for fine-tuning and customization. It's available in 7B, 13B, and 70B parameter sizes, offering raw, uncensored language capabilities. Llama 2 Chat, on the other hand, is specialized for dialogue and conversation, optimized for helpfulness and safety, and fine-tuned with human feedback. Both variants come in the same 3 sizes, allowing users to choose the right balance between performance and resource requirements. Let's break down the parameter sizes. The 7B model, with around 7 billion parameters, is designed to run efficiently on most GPUs and even some CPUs. The 13B model offers a great balance between performance and resource usage, making it suitable for more demanding tasks without requiring high-end hardware. The 70B model, with approximately 70 billion parameters, delivers near state-of-the-art performance, rivaling some of the best closed-source models available. This range ensures that there's a Llama 2 model for every need and hardware setup. Each Llama 2 model size brings its own strengths. The 7B model is fast and efficient, ideal for simple tasks and quick deployments. The 13B model strikes a balance between speed and capability, making it a versatile choice for many applications. The 70B model stands out with high-quality outputs, competitive with leading proprietary models. This flexibility allows developers to select the right model based on their specific needs, whether it's for lightweight applications or demanding enterprise solutions. Under the hood, Llama 2 is built on a standard decoder-only transformer architecture. It uses RMS norm for pre-normalization, the SWI-glue activation function, and rotary positional embeddings, ROPE, for better context handling. One of the standout innovations is grouped query attention, GQA, which reduces memory usage and boosts efficiency. Llama 2 also features an increased context length of 4,096 tokens, double the previous generation, allowing it to handle longer inputs and conversations. Llama 2's training process is robust and multi-staged. It starts with supervised fine-tuning, SFT, followed by reinforcement learning from human feedback, RLHF, The model undergoes extensive safety training and red teaming to minimize harmful outputs and ensure responsible behavior. With 2 trillion tokens of improved training data and a better tokenizer supporting a 32 kelvins vocabulary, Llama 2 achieves impressive language understanding and generation capabilities. Efficiency is at the heart of Llama 2's design. The model is optimized for fast inference and lower memory requirements compared to similar models. Its efficient attention mechanisms and grouped query attention allow it to scale well across different hardware setups, from consumer-grade GPUs to enterprise clusters. This means more people can deploy and use Llama 2 without needing expensive infrastructure, making advanced AI truly accessible. Llama 2 competes head-to-head with models like ChatGPT and PaLM, delivering strong performance on coding, reasoning, and knowledge tasks. For its size class, Llama 2 achieves excellent results, particularly in logical reasoning and following complex instructions. The 7B model is comparable to smaller proprietary models. The 13B model matches mid-tier commercial offerings, and the 7DB model approaches the performance of GPT-3, 5, making it a formidable choice for a wide range of applications. Llama 2 shines in several areas. It's particularly strong at code generation, making it a valuable tool for programming tasks. Its logical reasoning abilities are impressive, and it excels at following complex prompts and instructions. With a broad general knowledge base, Llama 2 can tackle a wide variety of topics, making it suitable for everything from technical support to creative writing. Its versatility is one of its biggest assets. Safety is a top priority for Llama 2. The model undergoes extensive safety training and filtering to reduce the risk of generating harmful or inappropriate outputs. It's designed to better refuse inappropriate requests and provide helpful, harmless responses. This focus on alignment ensures that Llama 2 can be used responsibly in a wide range of applications, from customer service to educational tools. Getting started with Llama 2 is straightforward. You can access the models directly from Meta's website, through the Hugging Face Transformers library, or via major cloud providers like AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure. For local deployment, tools like Llama, LM Studio, and text generation Weebui make it easy to run Llama 2 on your own hardware. The 7B model requires just 8 GB of RAM and can even run on a CPU, while the larger models scale up for more demanding tasks. Several user-friendly interfaces make working with Llama 2 a breeze. Llama offers a simple local deployment experience, while LM Studio provides a graphical interface for managing models. Text generation Weebui is a feature-rich web interface, and Hugging Face pipelines cater to developers looking for seamless integration. These tools lower the barrier to entry, making advanced AI accessible to both beginners and experts. To get started with Llama 2-inches code, you can use the Hugging Face Transformers library. With just a few lines of Python, you can load the tokenizer and model and begin generating text. This simplicity makes it easy for developers to experiment and build applications quickly, whether you're working on a chatbot, content generator, or research project. One of Llama 2's biggest strengths is its adaptability through fine-tuning. By customizing the model on specific domains or tasks, you can significantly improve its performance for your unique needs. Fine-tuning allows you to create custom assistant behaviors, optimize for specialized data, and tailor the model for particular use cases, from technical support to creative writing. There are several popular approaches to fine-tuning Llama 2. LoRa, low-rank adaptation, is an efficient method that requires less memory and compute. QLoRa takes it a step further by using quantization for even greater memory efficiency. Full fine-tuning involves retraining the entire model, while instruction tuning focuses on improving prompt following. These methods provide flexibility for different hardware and project requirements. A variety of tools support fine-tuning Llama 2. Axolotl is a popular framework for efficient fine-tuning, while Hugging Face TRL offers transformer reinforcement learning capabilities. Unsloth is optimized for speed and memory, and LM Studio provides a graphical interface for those who prefer a GUI-based approach. These tools make it easier than ever to adapt Llama 2 for your specific needs. Fine-tuning unlocks a wide range of use cases for Llama 2. You can create domain-specific chatbots, generate code in specialized programming languages, assist with creative writing, or help with technical documentation. By tailoring the model to your data and requirements, you can achieve results that are both accurate and relevant, enhancing productivity and user experience. Llama 2 has inspired a vibrant ecosystem of derivative models and tools. Code Llama is tailored for programming tasks, while Llama 2 Uncensored and Wizard LM offer enhanced reasoning and conversation capabilities. Vicuna focuses on improved conversation quality. Tools like Llama, that's CPP, VLLM, TensorRT LLM, and MLC LLM make deployment and inference more efficient across different platforms. The community has contributed quantized versions, fine-tuned models, and new safety techniques, driving rapid innovation. The open-source community has played a crucial role in expanding Llama 2's capabilities. Developers have created quantized versions for lower hardware requirements, fine-tuned models for specific domains, and improved inference optimizations. Enhanced safety and alignment techniques continue to emerge, ensuring that Llama 2 remains at the forefront of responsible AI development. This collaborative spirit is what makes open-source AI so powerful. Llama 2 is making waves in the enterprise world. Companies are using it to build internal knowledge-based chatbots, automate customer service, analyze and summarize documents, and even generate and review code. Its flexibility and performance make it a valuable asset for businesses looking to streamline operations and enhance productivity without relying on expensive proprietary solutions. In research and education, Llama 2 is a powerful tool for experimentation and learning. It's used for AI research, educational tools, academic writing assistance, and research paper analysis. By providing open access to a high-quality language model, Llama 2 empowers students, educators, and researchers to push the boundaries of what's possible in AI and education. Developers benefit greatly from Llama 2's capabilities. It's used for code completion and generation, documentation creation, bug detection, and technical support. The model's strong reasoning and instruction-following abilities make it a reliable assistant for software development tasks, helping teams work more efficiently and effectively. Llama 2 is a valuable ally for content creators. It assists with writing, editing, creative storytelling, marketing copy, and social media content generation. Its ability to understand context and generate coherent, engaging text makes it a go-to tool for writers and marketers looking to boost productivity and creativity. Llama 2 isn't just for businesses and developers, it's also great for personal use. Individuals can use it as a personal AI assistant, a learning companion, or a creative project helper. Whether you're seeking answers to general knowledge questions or looking for inspiration in your next project, Llama 2 is there to assist. The impact of Llama 2 on the AI landscape is profound. By making state-of-the-art AI accessible to everyone, it has enabled small companies to compete with tech giants and fostered massive innovation in the open-source community. New business models and opportunities have emerged, all thanks to the democratizing effect of open-source AI. Looking ahead, the future of Llama models is bright. Continued improvements in capability and efficiency are on the horizon, with better multimodal understanding and enhanced reasoning. More efficient training and inference methods are being developed, ensuring that future versions will be even more powerful and accessible. Llama 2's open-source legacy is already inspiring other companies to follow suit. A vibrant ecosystem of derivatives and tools has emerged, advancing the field through community contributions. Llama 2 has set new standards for AI transparency, collaboration, and innovation, ensuring that the benefits of AI are shared by all. Llama 2 marks a pivotal moment in AI history, the point where high-quality language models became truly accessible to everyone. It has empowered developers, researchers, and businesses to build AI applications without gatekeepers or excessive costs. But perhaps the most exciting aspect is the incredible ecosystem of innovation it has inspired. The best AI future is one we all help build. And Llama 2 gives us the tools to do just that. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of open-source AI.
Subscribe to Knowledge Hub, like this video, and tap the bell so you never miss what's next.